Good Sunday fun day on Bean Farm. Look, this beautiful weather. It's cloudy. It's raining. I know y'all are going to give me crap for saying that I'm not doing anything, but the boss lady's out here moving some dirt around. If y'all remember, well, most people don't know, there used to be a big tree here, big tree there. This is all tree. So trees are gone, coops going up, boss lady's cleaning or shoveling. Well, so she can get in there, easy access, and there won't be any mud standing there. Hopefully it'll dry down, ideally. Y'all like her shirt? Red, white, and quail. You can't see because your overalls. Don't be taking your clothes off. Come on. Yeah, that's. You can buy the. You can message me and we'll get you that shipped out. $25. We have them on the website, but we're having a local person make them for us. So she'll make them, and then I'll send them out. And I'm not making any money off of that. That's just what it'll cost for us to get it made and shipped to you, because we want to support her just as much as y'all, as anybody, because she's a teacher. So right now she's not even working because she's off for the summer break. So we try to give her as much money, help her as much as possible. So yep. But look, that beautiful slant. Hopefully it won't be muddy. We'll find out. It's gonna rain today. You think it'll rain? Boss lady, you think it's gonna rain? Why are you building up the dirt around that?
Because they keep digging, doing their dust baths in those corners, and it's going underneath.
Oh. You want me to do it and you hold the phone?
I'm not done.
Well, I don't know. You didn't even walk it over here so I can pack it down. We ain't got no camera people, so it's just us. That's why I let her do a lot of stuff while I'm recording, because she don't like to record. So, and she's much prettier than I am, so. That's actually a workout on my legs doing that.
Grab the wagon. We're going to do poop trays. Dad.
You're gonna do poop trays? Oh my gosh. Look, she just told me. We just did poop trays a couple days ago, I thought.
It's been a week.
I feel like we do poop trays every freaking day. Ugh. Blah, 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 blah. This is our Gorilla Cart poop tray cleaner outer, because Lord knows I'm not cleaning poop trays. I used to put them in the IBC totes and then compost it. And ideally, we'll do that again one day soon. But I ain't got no tractor. So to do that, I would need to put it in a tractor to lift it up. Because we did that back when we only had like 1, maybe 2 cages. And now we're up to 5 or 6 or something. So, it smells like a damn barbecue. Sorry. I'll try to. Maybe I should just frame the farmer with a foul mouth. Even though I don't try to be. It's just second nature. I already opened up the shop today. Look, the thing about cleaning is that we'll clean these, and then but we gotta do all the chores first. So we gotta water first, we gotta feed first, and then that'll be the last. So there is our daily bread, eggs. So customer might want it, you know. So because there's a lot of people that want like rare colors or colors that don't exist or that are like mixes. So we do offer our party mix. So anyway, let me get some water on. Put water on, and look. Eventually, I plan on getting. Well, I really want to build another building. That's our goal. Is if we can get to monetize on YouTube or any. Look, we're monetized on Facebook, and then I have like TikTok Shop on. I'm affiliate there, but if we can get on like more long format and get some good views, and we will build a barn. But I do think my camera is. I might have to do something about the memory on my camera because recording and stuff is not being friendly to me and saying I don't have any memory, so I might have to figure that one out. I don't know how I'm going to figure it out, but I'm going to work on that. But, yeah. Well, okay. These are chicken grow outs. They need to go outside. I was thinking about taking them to an auction. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we take it to an auction? Because that's what I was thinking I'll do. What do you got? Crazy chickens?
Yeah, turkeys.
Why are you looking all crazy for?
Hot.
Why?
Corn sweat.
Turn your fan on, you. Oh, I left the water on. What an idiot. Did you not feel this? This was like empty. Is it leaking?
We have more birds in there than we have.
Sometimes they don't act like they drink out of this one sometimes. But man, I wonder if it's because there's 10 gallons in there. Because there's 2 of them. But that one's like each level is the same as one. But these are double as big. I know, but they're double as big. You put twice as many birds in. You need to get that card for the gun card. It's over here. My phone's saying that I can't record it again. What? I was aging off for a second there. This is what I am adamant about on the Winola cage. This sucks. This part of it. So I'm gonna have to scrub that. I know it looks bad. If I do it, if I scrub it today, it'll look bad tomorrow. But I'm gonna talk to. I know the owners of Winola Ranch, and I know the owners of Winola Ranch. They made this cage especially for us, custom made, and I'm gonna talk to them about making like a, I don't know, poop pan that's wider or something, so that doesn't happen. Because I don't like that at all, especially for like you guys or whatever. Y'all don't know what it's like. Some of y'all don't know what it's like to run these farms, and then I know that everybody is just like, oh, that's disgusting and that's gross or whatever. So, I don't like that.
Hey, chicken, eggs.
Chicken, go! Go! I can't believe we only have one hen out of all of them. Oh, that's what I told you?
Yeah.
What you gotta do when you have 40 birds per level on that big cage. And then my mansion has 60 birds per level, 20 per cage, but it's deeper. So. Ah! Get out, ducks. I wish they were rude. We have like, how many different types of poop trays do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Winola cage, oil cans, wood ones, and then the mansion, and Winola. These are custom built by my dad and yours truly. They actually held up the longest so far, even though they look like they're separating, they're still sturdy. So they'll stay. It makes me almost want to go switch to wood ones. But the problem with wood ones is that they look dirty all the time. And they're rather heavy. But like these ones just freaking fall apart after about a year. Yeah, it got wet before I fixed it.
Walk away. Walk away. I don't want to hear it. Walk away. I warned you.
I hate wet poop so bad. That's why I try so bad not to let it get wet. Ugh. And I do a pretty good job at it. Sometimes the birds will sit in it. And then, yeah. And then that happens. I'm sorry. That was great. She craps at me when I do that. I can't help it. I'm a weenie when it comes to the poop soup. So anyways, if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. We did finish up. I didn't film that because it's just a long process. And I know some people would watch it, but I don't enjoy it. So make sure you share it with your friends or whatever, because I'm not quite sure how many people really share stuff on YouTube. But here's the goose and the ducks in the new pond. But yeah.